Good. Fingers closed around your reins. Nice. Now, keep going down the rail. When you get past red, turn in and cut across the arena at the trot. Keep posting. Cut across, turn, turn, turn.
Go where?
Good. Cut across and change direction. Okay. Now, so you just want to go in straight lines. Fingers closed, hands down. Good. Now when you come behind the jump again, cut straight across the arena. Use your eyes. Nice.
Change direction.
Yep. And prepare to walk. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Good job.